The Oppo K12s is a feature-rich mid-range smartphone that strikes an impressive balance between performance, design, battery life, and modern-day usability, making it a serious contender in 2025's competitive smartphone market. It caters especially well to users who prioritize an all-day battery, efficient performance, and a premium AMOLED visual experience without breaking the bank. Starting with the display, the Oppo K12s features a stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with a crisp FHD+ resolution. The addition of a 120 Hz refresh rate makes every interaction feel smooth, whether you're scrolling through apps, gaming, or streaming videos. The screen delivers vivid colors, deep blacks, and sharp contrasts, ensuring an immersive multimedia experience. It also includes an in-display fingerprint sensor, blending security seamlessly with modern aesthetics. One of the most interesting display features is the integration of wet touch mode, which allows users to interact with the screen even if it's wet with water or oil, a rare and practical feature for real-world use. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset, a solid mid-range processor built on a power-efficient 4nm process. This chipset ensures smooth multitasking, efficient battery consumption, and decent gaming performance, especially when paired with LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. Whether you're navigating through multiple apps, editing photos, or playing graphics-intensive games like PUBG or Call of Duty Mobile, the K12s delivers a reliable and consistent experience. Oppo's software optimizations also help ensure that thermal throttling is kept to a minimum thanks to its advanced vapor chamber cooling system, which significantly reduces heat during extended usage. Camera front. The Oppo K12s adopts a practical approach with a dual camera setup on the rear. The 50MP main sensor is capable of capturing high-quality images with excellent color accuracy and dynamic range. While it doesn't offer an ultra-wide or telephoto lens, the main camera performs admirably in daylight and decent in low-light scenarios, supported by Oppo's image processing algorithms. Accompanying the main camera is a 2MP depth sensor that assists in capturing portrait shots with a natural background blur effect. While not a photography powerhouse, it's more than capable of handling everyday shots, selfies, and social media content creation. Battery life is where the Oppo K12s truly stands out. The device packs a massive 7,000 mAh battery, which is larger than many flagship phones and even some tablets. This huge battery ensures that even the most demanding users can comfortably go 2 full days without needing to recharge. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, navigating with GPS, or working remotely, the K12s won't let you down. And when it does need a charge, the 80W Super VOOC fast charging steps in to quickly juice up the battery. According to Oppo, the battery is designed to last 1,800 full charging cycles, meaning it will retain over 80% of its original capacity even after 5 years of daily use. A claim that's rarely seen in this segment. In terms of design and build, Oppo has opted for a clean and modern aesthetic. Despite housing a gigantic battery, the phone maintains a slim and lightweight profile, making it comfortable to use for long periods. The device is available in stylish color options like Star White, Rose Purple, and Prism Black, appealing to users who want a device that not only performs well, but also looks stunning in hand. The use of high-quality materials and attention to design detail reflects Oppo's commitment to offering a premium experience at an affordable price. The software side, the Oppo K12s runs on Android 15, led with Oppo's latest ColorOS 15. This updated operating system brings a refined UI with smoother animations, better resource management, and enhanced customization features. It includes useful additions like floating windows for multitasking, privacy dashboard, battery health monitoring, and smart AI tools that adapt to your usage habits to extend battery life and performance, further elevate the user experience. Oppo has added a number of premium features that are often reserved for flagship devices. These include NFC for contactless payments and quick data transfer, an IR blaster to control appliances like TVs and ACS, dual stereo speakers for immersive audio, and the aforementioned vapor chamber cooling system to maintain thermal stability during heavy use. These small but impactful features make the K12s a truly versatile device for a wide range of users, whether you're a student, gamer, content consumer, or working professional. So, that wraps up everything you need to know about the all-new Oppo K12s. From its massive 7,000 mAh battery and blazing fast 80W Super VOOC charging, to its vibrant 6.67-inch AMOLED display and capable Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset, this device truly brings a flagship-like experience to the mid-range segment. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future reviews, comparisons, and tech deep dives. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Tech Explorer signing off, and I'll catch you in the next one.